You, and on behalf of the Muslim Parliamentary Caucus that I chair, I want to extend our deepest condolences to the family and also to stand in support of the motion. Right, Honourable Speaker, I will not claim to know Honourable Ssegirinya so much, but what I can confirm is that we've been together for the last 12 years. When the Honourable Ssegirinya reverted to Islam, he came to my law firm. I am the one who made the deed poll. That made sure he comes from Richard to Muhammad. When he undertook to join political activism, he knew he needed legal rescue. And for all the time, he has had troubles with police and the courts. Even before he came to Parliament with the Honourable Sewanyana there, they were very good clients in our law firm. Right, Honourable Speaker, when the Honourable Ssegirinya wanted to advance his education, because I had lectured in the Islamic University in the Faculty of Law, it is me who advised him to go and study from IUIU and even helped to secure for him an admission, and I'm also aware that you've been also contributing to his tuition. But right, Honourable Speaker, how shall we remember the Honourable Ssegirinya? There are two things, and I'm happy that now the Minister for National Guidance is here. The only contribution we can make for the Honourable Ssegirinya is to withdraw all court cases against the remaining accused persons. I know, right, Honourable Speaker, I know that under the law, when an accused person dies, automatically the case will terminate. But remember, he had co-accused. And one of them is our colleague here. And it's really very apparent that up to now, and the others, they think about 7 or 8, something like that. So the only way we can give justice to Honourable Ssegirinya is to withdraw unconditionally all the charges against the co-accused. Because, as we have said, there is really no evidence against that, and I am glad that the Honourable Minister was here to apologize. Secondly, right, Honourable Speaker, it is also important for us to appreciate where the Honourable Ssegirinya has come from and those who stood with him. When we were in popular resistance against life presidents under the leadership of the Honourable Muwanga Kivumbi, the Honourable Ssegirinya were the people that were amplifying our voices at that time, because we were opposed to the removal of age limit. Well, you people here, we are saying it should actually go. It was the Ssegirinyas at the time. As Ssegirinya has been my MP, because one of my families, one of my wives and the children stay in Kawempe, and he's been one of my MPs. We've been going to the same mosque in Kawempe and Bogo. So as a constituent, we've lost a very meaningful, a very contributive member of Parliament. And right, Honourable Speaker, we want to thank you for the support that you've given. I am aware of the dynamics that led to bringing this person, Honourable Ssegirinya, here, and we have had to compromise some of the Islamic principles, but I know you stood with the family, and we are really very grateful. And as we usually say, people, Speaker, inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un, from Allah we came and to him we return. But there is a history, right, Honourable Speaker. And that history, briefly, Allah says, wabashiru sabirin alladhina idha swabatihum musibatun qalu inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Give glad tidings to those who, when they befall such a calamity, remember that from Allah we came and to him we return. So, and I thought as chairman of the Muslim Caucus, I would dedicate on that aspect why it is so. I thank you, Honourable Speaker.
Thank you so much. Saba Kristo.